Your sales drivers page provides valuable insight about your business and lists your sales records. Here's a look at your sales drivers page. Your sales drivers page provides a 3-month sales analytics of factors behind your sales revenue. First off, we have the value of your total sales for the past 3 months. Right below the charts, you would find the sales transactions table that shows the details of the sales records behind this figure. You may move columns as you require. You may copy the contents of the table. You may export this table as a Microsoft Excel file. You may print this table as a PDF file. You may export this table as a CSV file. You may also print this table. You may also reduce or increase the records displayed per page. You may filter this table by searching for any content displayed on the table. You may sort the table by arranging any column headers either in ascending or descending order. Please note that the figures shown on this page are an aggregation of your sales records and those of your direct reports if you have. Right above this page, you may click on these links above to see the monthly analytics of this figure, which also gives you the values that add up to this figure. When you click on the link for any month, you will also find the same type of charts and the sales transactions table for the month just below the charts. Next, let's take a look at the data available on the page. After the sales figure, you have the gross profit value for this period. Your gross profit is calculated based on your input for the cost per unit without VAT for each product when the product is being created. While creating the product, when you change your input for the cost per unit without VAT, your gross profit is auto-calculated in real time and stored for your gross profit figure. Great. Now, let's continue with our look at the sales drivers page. Next, we have your top 5 highest performing sales regions. On the sales transactions table, you may click on any sales region link in order to see detailed analytics of the sales for that sales region. You may click on this link to update your sales region attached to your profile. Please note that any new edit will only reflect on your subsequent sales records. Next, we have sales by state. On the sales transactions table, you may click on any state link in order to see detailed sales analytics for that state. This page also has the same detailed sales breakdown as the main page. You may click on this link to update your state details. Please note that any new edit will only reflect on your subsequent sales records. Now, back to the sales drivers page. We have sales by branch. On the sales transactions table, you may click on any branch link in order to see detailed sales analytics for that branch. This page also has the same detailed sales breakdown as the main page. There's a chart showing the branch sales versus its sales target for the month and its sales target for the year. You may update the branch sales target by clicking this link. Then you may update values for sales target for the month and sales target for the year. Furthermore, on the page for a branch, you can see the top 5 products they sold, either by sales or by quantity. You can see the top 5 clients they sold products to. You can see their sales records broken down by customer acquisition, gender, customer status, and age bracket. Good. Next, on the sales drivers page, we have top 5 products by sales, and by quantity. Then, we have top 5 clients by sales. If you look below the charts, you can see forms which you can fill to get all sales from a client, by week or by month. This form is pre-filled with values from your last sales record. Good. Let's submit this form to search for this customer's sales. Now, you may print a receipt or invoice for all transactions made by this customer for the whole month by clicking this button. Please note, however, that you need to be the creator of a sales record in order to be able to print either a receipt or invoice for a sales record. You can see the creator of a sales records from the sales transactions table by looking at the sales record row under the edit or delete column. You may also change all the sales record from unpaid to paid so you can print one receipt for all the sales records. You may also change all the sales record to from paid to unpaid so you can print one invoice for all the sales records. Great. Now, back to the sales drivers page. You can also see sales analytics by customer acquisition, gender, customer status, and age bracket. All these fields are available while creating sales records. If, however, you did not fill them at the point of sale, you may edit them for individual sales records by going to the Sales Transactions table, selecting Edit, then go to the appropriate fields. Finally, we have your top 5 sales agents based on their sales performance. If you need more details about your sales agent's sales performance, you may go to the Sales Transactions table. Then, click on a specific agent name. This will take you to a new page that has even more analytics about the sales agent. You can see the performance of this sales agent against their sales target for the month and their sales target for the year. You may click this link to update your sales targets. Then you may update values for sales target for the month and sales target for the year. Good. Furthermore, on the page for a sales agent, you can see the top 5 products they sold, either by sales or by quantity. You can see the top 5 clients they sold products to. You can see their sales records broken down by customer acquisition, gender, customer status, and age bracket. You even have the opportunity of seeing all this sales analytics broken down on a monthly basis for the previous 3 months. At the top of the page, you will see links that can help you select the month you wish to focus on specifically for this sales agent. Great. That's our look at your sales drivers page. SelGence. Add intelligence to your business.